Is the man to complete an almost bungled play for the Giants.
And Kirby Raimundo now with 20 big points in the ball game. Tabla na naman tayo at 63. Kelly Williams with the basketball. Pinasa kay Yo. Yo inside and he scores on the drive.
Parang nagra-round robin na itong si Joseph Yo dito. Kaya pinagtan si Chico Lanete. But even a taller Roger Yap, hindi napigil ang high leaper na si James Yo. Si Joseph Yo rather.
Joseph Yo now with 12 points off the bench and Jondan Salvador will miss. Ay, napapick ni Kelly Williams.
Hindi po si Kelly Williams ang malalagyan ng 2 points doon. It's still Jondan Salvador who's the nearest Giant to the ball.
So tabla na naman tayo at 65. So it's a bumper-to-bumper ball game dito sa third quarter. Here's Miranda. Yo on the move. Joseph Yo, well, almost score. And he's been the man of the moment here. Wala sa Santa Lucia.
Walang anggulong pinipili ito si Joseph Yo. Above the rim, nasa baba, patagilid, mabagsak na. Nakukuhanan pa rin at nagagawan pa rin ang paraan. That's the ninja. So, yung mga daliri, we're talking about the fingers in Santa Lucia. Nandun na yung Denong Miranda, may isa ka na. May pangalawa ng daliri. Ito si Joseph Yo. But still, we're looking for K-Will, the Machine Gun Kelly, na maglagay ng malalaking puntos dito. Wala pa po yun. Very comfortable in a green uniform. Yan si...
Oh, he's very much a fan.
Joseph Yo.
Here's James Yap over to Salvador. By the way, si Roger Yap, meron na pong 4 na personal foul. Meantime, here's Raimundo with 20 points in the game. Drop pass. Larong is fouled.
Ito'y umulon who would get his third personal foul.
I think I know why CRD is the enforcer of the law para sa Pure Food.
Bakit?
Oh, Larong Ranger.
Oh, pwede. Saka basketball ito eh. Yan ang pambansang larong natin. Pero pwede din pang-formal yan.
Larong Tagalog. Ano ba yung mga pinagsasabi nyo dyan dalawa?
Sumundot lang eh. Sa beses lang eh. Dahil tutok na tutok tayo sa napakagandang laban na ito eh.
Under 8 minutes to go in the third quarter. Denong Miranda. Miranda goes to Espino. Espino, what will he do? He loses the ball. It has about Raimundo. Kirby Raimundo on the move. And James Yap will score.
Tumingin pa. Si James Yap, ano mo'y kinutuya ang depensa ng Santa Lucia.
Yes, got the ball, and it's going to be a foul against James Yap.
Oo.
And look at the Pure Foods bench. They are livid. Ryan Gregorio, halos matanggal ang t-shirt sa galit.
Oo, at sabi niya Referee Ferrer, Referee Herrera rather, huwag po akong hawakan. Touch me not.
No limitangre.
It's Ryan's mind. Wala yun. So, lumapit at si Bagyan, binudul pa ni Coach Ryan eh. Ang sinasabi niya, kahit maliit ako, gaya ni Migo, malaki katawan ko. Sabi niya.
Napasok sa usapan niyo. Under 7 minutes to play in the third quarter. 1-point lead para sa Santa Lucia. Tulakan na naman dito si Denong Miranda at James Yap. But this has been the theme dito sa matchup ni Denong at James dahil parehong malaki ang pangangatawan, parehong matibay ang pangangatawan. And both battle-tested players, kaya nobody wants to give in. James Yap fires, misses. Salvador inside, no go. And who gets the ball? I tell you, action has been fierce here in the third quarter.
Talagang yan lamang ang ating aasahan. Finals na ito, Migo, at kitang-kita natin sa mga players na parehong handa sila sa ganitong klaseng mga laban.
15 to shoot para sa Santa Lucia. Here's Yo. Top of the key to Espino with 10 to shoot. Espino way outside. Nilapit, and he will take 2.
Dennis Espino is not as effective as he was in the first 2 games sapagkat pinaghandaan na rin ng mga taga-Philippines itong nagalaw ni Dennis Espino. Alam nila, hindi nila maaaring i-chakwera ito si Dennis. Just like the way they did nung first 2 games na nalasa ng maigi. Ito si Dennis Espino was averaging almost 18 points per ball game sa first 2 games. now he's struggling for his points as he only has 9 points in the ballgame.
In the middle of this pretty picture is Miss Arlene De Castro, a familiar face. Siya po ang wife of Vice President Noli De Castro.
Kabiyak ang ating mahal na Vice Presidente.
Of course, si Ma'am Arlene also spent many years as a TV executive.
Of course.
Meantime, here's Roger Yap. No go. Adokol. Sabi mo nga, no? Their fingers had no status and elbow. Pati si Ryan Reyes at si Pingris ay nagtutulakan na dito. Well, sabi mo nga sa yung Raptors watch list, watch for the body parts and the elbows are flying.
Nasa makikita natin dito. Wala naman tatamaan, pero pinapakita lang ni Romel Adukol, ganito kalaki ang aking Chico.
Time on muna, Pure Foods, and we all need this timeout. Action is getting red hot here in the third quarter. Back inside the Big Dome, at ito, halos nakangalahati na tayo dito sa third quarter, and action has been absolutely fierce in this period. Here's Raimundo. Raimundo on the move, and Raimundo will score!
And we talk about the aggressiveness na kinakailangan. The ice, the game face na hinahanap natin sa Pure Foods. Definitely suot-suot nila dito sa laban na ito.
Kabla na naman tayo at 70. Ang ating ika-anim na deadlock sa larong ito. Espino, drop pass, tatapik. Nakuha ni Dennis Da. Da hands it over to Miranda. Miranda, top shot with one on the shot clock. Rebound para kay Aduco.
And Pure Foods have been effectively out-rebounding Santa Lucia 34-25 in this ballgame.
Here's Raimundo. 12 to shoot. Spins and misses. Rebound para kay Kelly Williams. Let's go to Dominic Uy.
Hindi ko pinaalala ni Coach Boyet Fernandez at ni team manager Buddy Encarnado to keep their composure. Itong Santa Lucia Realtors. Sabi na, let's win it on the court. Kahit na nagkaka-physical na dito sa larong ito. Sabi na, we need to keep composed.
But kapareho nung mukhang kapareho nung kanyang sasapito ng game 2. Ang taas yung scoring niya, but he fouled out eventually. Now, third quarter pa tayo. Kalahati pa lamang ng third quarter. May 5 na ito. And no choice ang coaches ng Pure Foods. They have to pull out si Kirby Raimundo.
Second free throw here para kay Kelly Williams, a leading candidate for the best player of the conference. Na inyong makikilala sa Bernes. No? Malalaman natin sino ang tatanghaling best player of the conference para dito sa Philippine Cup. Under 5 minutes to go in the third quarter. Pingris may tangan ng bola against Dennis Da. Pingris on the move. Pingris with a drop step, and he goes up without the ball, and he will take 2. And Coach Ryan Gregores in the face of referee Garchi Ferrer.
Ang hindi ko lang alam kung papayag si Ryan, makipagpalitan siya ron. Although, alam natin ang intention ng mga coaches dyan. They would want the intensity to rub off.
Ayan naman po si Miss Catherine De Castro. Yan naman ang, ang anak ni Vice President Noli De Castro. At yung si Miss Arlene De Castro is also here, part of the star-studded crowd here to witness Game 3.
Talagang punong-puno ng mga bituin. Kaya kung makakulimlim po dyan sa labas, dahil ang mga bituin po ay nandito sa loob ng Araneta.
Here's Coronel. Marlu. Drop pass. Williams. No go. Da trying to keep the ball alive. It will stay with Santa Lucia.
But you see, ito si Kelly Williams. Napapangiti lamang siya. Hindi niya nakukuha yung mga basket, but at the same time, he has given opportunities.
Here's Marlo against Aduhon. Williams. 4-3. No go.
Not a good shooting night for Kelly Williams.
Here's Roger Yap. Kelly Williams with the ball. Joseph Yo on the move. Joseph Yo steps on the gas, and he goes all the way for 2.
And this is the kind of game, an open court basketball na gustong-gusto itong si Joseph Yo, and he thrives in that kind of play. He now has 16.
That's 16 points off the bench for the Ninja. Balikan lamang sa Santa Lucia, 74-72. And Pingris going strong to the hoop at may tatawagan ko ng foul si Dennis Da.
Si Dennis Daha, talagang punong-puno ang kanyang mga kamay in trying to contain the veteran in Mark Pingris.